It's committed and but it's CT expired long time. No, but the corporate report in that case. That's one. Because first, only global news stop coming. Basically, like 130 proceeding, he was convicted. We went on 18. Thereafter, they came on again. Even I think otherwise, if a report is called from the police, that is suffice. What do you think?
Ma'am, item number 9 is this. In this case, I was directed to impede the victim as party response. So that is have we filed an I that is also numbered 1192 of not registered to this. May come up after application method on a fixed date. A बदल A बदल number I criminal 1192 of 2024. Respondent number 3. The victim apply.
Item number 4, my lordship. Kindly pass over the matter for the day. Item number 4. Yes, other side, NF release. Take it matter, who is the council of NF release? No, no.
Yeah, brother. But I get to mention item number 5. Let's look at the concept of other side, my lord. This method will be adjourned for this supplement. This outline. Next, please, lordship. Madam, documentation item number 2, madam. Well, I'm making a mention on behalf of Mr. Edward. In this method, madam, we require some time to reconstruct the brief. This method is from TH Coleman. TH Coleman. Yes, ma'am. And it's legal care for item number 3 as well. Public.
Lordship, item 43, lordship. Our it is misplaced from our chamber.
Coming a very common ground for seeking adjournment of matters that are old. I'm not saying anything, but you see, if in case file is misplaced, you can always have a look at the court's file. After all, it's a criminal appeal. You can always assist the court. MS A. Begum, learned counsel for the appellant in item 6, submits that the Agor submission file has been misplaced. You will reconstruct and relist. Yes.
For admission, item number.
Yes, please. Hello, this matter has become infectious matter. Hello, what happened in this case? Hello, this is a case under the Domestic Violence Act matter. Wife has filed one petition against the husband seeking matter the various release matter. Trial court granted the release against that matter. The bill has preferred appellate court modified that order against that this petition is filed. In the meantime, matter, they have settled the matter matter. They could not file the petition.
Yes, Mr. Datta.
I don't have section that
You have a look. If you are consenting, then we'll close it.
but this,
You have a copy?
I have given one copy.
You have got a, have you received the copy?
Just now. Hello,
You want to verify?
did it come after 10 minutes?
Yes. Yes. That's why you were saying you want to reconstruct. So what was your prayer?
I advance for the day.
Why?
I am in some personal difficulties.
As prayed for by MS R. Begum, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, which is delist after I think of data down such and such.
Obviously.
What has happened, because of what I was taking. I was convicted, we went on appeal before the session judge. The condition was set aside. Against that, the finance company came on appeal.
All right, they are not appearing. According to you, the appellant has
No, the accused has expressed, the respondent number one.
responded.
So, the case would otherwise stand awaiting. So, if a report is not.
Mr. R. Dale, Learned Counsel for the respondent accused, submits that during the pendency of the appeal, the accused person has expired. However, he does not have any written instruction in support of the aforesaid submission. Let Mr. B. Sharma, Learned APP, for the state, call for a report from the jurisdictional police station as regards the status, as regards the status of the death of the R2,
R1.
R1,
Kamakha Narayan Pandey.
I. Kamaikha Narayan Pandey.
He was the priest of the Hanuman Mandir in Ganeshpur. That was. Like,
After list on such and such.
copy of the order.
And a copy of this order be also furnished. Let registry furnish a copy of this order to Mr. So-and-so and APP for the.
So, keep it, I'll be state of Assam.
No one is appearing today. Or state of Assam. Who is appearing for the other side? S. Bhattapur, A. Chaudhary. Have you received have you reconstructed on the last occasion?
Yes, prayer was made by take it out.
Any idea?
Idea of prayer, take it back to office.
Mr. B. Heard Mr. B. Sharma, Learned APP for the state petitioner, for the state appellant. None appears for the respondent on call. It appears that on the last occasion, the state council had sought time to reconstruct the records as the same was misplaced. However, today, Mr. So-and-so Sharma, Learned APP, is not aware of the submits that the record, that the reconstructed record is not available in the file. And accordingly seeks accommodation to verify the same from Mr. K.K. Parashar, an APP from the state appellant who had appeared on the last occasion. Prayer is allowed. Based on such and such statement. Yes, Mr. Sharma.
My lord, proceeding under section 138 NIF, my lord.
Yes.
The reason, my lord, is that the
Who is
judgment,
appearing for the respondent side? No one.
my lord, was listed as one as so. But, my lord,
You are?
I am the, my lord, accused,
You are for the accused. Yes, Mr. Sharma, in this matter, can we proceed with the, because it appears that on the last occasion also there was, last to last occasion also there was no one for the respondent. Today also, the name is shown, no one is there. However, the accused is the petitioner, not the.
Yes.
Can go on, or should we appoint someone to represent R2? I think this can go on. So
as proceed.
so you see, there was an interim order also, whereby this court directed some money to be
Yes, we
paid,
have the petition. That has already been withdrawn also.
withdrawn. That's
But-
three.
The minutes Saturday was shifted, maybe it was also one of the reasons.
All right, another date.
Yes, your lord.
Heard Mr. R. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner. None appears for the respondent number, for the sole respondent,
No, madam, two.
for the respondent number 2, and one is state.
Yes, one is.
I got the if you present, huh? Relist the date, such and such date. It appears that there was no representation on behalf of the respondent number 2 on the last occasions also. Last occasion, I 9/5/2024 and 26/2024 also. Oh no, on the last occasion he was present, lead account. On the last, only previous to that, I didn't elect it.
Public. Yes. Yes, in view of the order passed in, I have submitted the order passed in, my lord, title for the M, my lord. So, in the second page, lordship may kindly see clause number 8.
Yes.
That both the parties further agreed that the respondent will withdraw the DV case number 2/2010 pending in the court of the judicial magistrate first class to ensure Tinsukia for disposal. My lord, this revision is arising out of this case.
The DVK.
DV.
DVK order has been passed.
Yes, well, DV case was disposed of, against that appeal preferred, appeal disposed of, then this division.
Heard Mr.
A.K. Gupta.
A.K. Gupta, learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr. S. Datta, learned counsel for the respondent, full respondent, Mr. Datta,
Yes.
respondent. This petition is filed under section 397, read with section 401 of the RPC 1973. Seeking quashing setting aside and quashing of the judgment and order dated 5/7/2013, passed by the learned session judge Kinsukia in criminal appeal number 54, within bracket 3/2013, by affirming the judgment and order dated 31/8/2013, passed by the learned judicial magistrate first class Kinsukia in this case number 02 within bracket EV 2010. Mr. Gupta, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the case has been amicably settled between the parties and in support of the said submission, he furnishes, he places the order dated 17/3/17.
14/3/2017.
Huh?
14/3/2017.
So what is this order?
Well, this order is passed in DV case. This first one is this
40, he submits the order dated 14/3/2017, filed in TSM number 146 of 2016. So, apt to reproduce the that order dated 14/3/2017, which reads as hereunder, quote unquote, perusal of the aforesaid order passed in the title suit M Mills,
matrimonial.
passed in the matrimonial suit, appears that both the parties have amicably settled the matter, and the the respondent, withdrawal will be by respondent, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And the respondent has also agreed to withdraw the DV case number 2 of 2010, pending in the Court of Judicial Magistrate First Class. It appears that thereafter, this order is of the DV.
Yes, ma'am. DV case.
Thereafter, petitioner is the respondent.
In that
Thereafter, in the where is the case number?
that is the first page, ma'am.
Miss case 2 of 10.
Yes.
The order that you are seeking to challenge is
Well, this case and in the two with in the above melody is DV 2010. Yes, my lord, or like a DV. My lord, the judgment will also find in the revision petition at page 10.
page 10. Yes. Thereafter, in the miss case number 2 of 2 within bracket DV of 2010, the respondent, by filing a petition number 783 of 2017, submitted that she has amicably settled the matter with the petitioner and she is willing to withdraw the case. And accordingly, the magistrate court, by order dated 17/3/2017, what is BA?
DA is bench assistant.
Because by that time, By 17, this was already
Already disposed.
disposed of, so the direct, keeping, having noted that the case is already been disposed of, directed to put up the same before the court as and when directed. A copy of the order dated 17/3/2017 is also reproduced here under for reference. Mr. As Dakkan and counsel for the respondent submits that since the matter has been amicably settled, nothing remains for adjudication in the instant revision petition and for the interest of, and for the ends of justice, the final order dated 31/8.
My lord, that is the trial court order, my lord.
But that is what has to be set aside.
That's it.
That the orders of the trial court and the appellate court may be set aside, Stop. In view of the aforesaid endorsement made by the learned counsel for the parties and upon perusal of the orders dated 14/3/2017, ordered. This court for the ends of justice deems appropriate to set aside the judgment and order dated 5/7/2013 passed by the appellate court and the judgment and order dated 31/8/2013 passed by the trial court in Miss Case number 2 DV of 2010. Ordered accordingly, revision petition stands disclosed.
Okay, public.
A copy of the order dated 14/3/2017 and the order dated 17/3/2017 is kept on record and marked as X and Y.